Alright, one thing is another. I'm gonna put some heat to it. I got a little piece of stud right here. We got the transmission in, transfer case in, almost ready to go. But this happened. Rusted out, guys. Yeah, that's what happens when you're dealing with rust. So we're gonna take this exhaust off and see if we can put some fire to that. Grab you some safety goggle and this hammer and a chisel. Alright, see what happens. I'm gonna heat it while you're yeah, right in the center. Come on, man! Oh Lord, you're a terrible hitter. Dude! Okay, try to hit on it flush without the punch. You got a little meat right there. Come on, man! Alright, so we end up taking it all the way out. We're gonna go over to the table and oh, we didn't mess this gasket up, did we? Alright, yeah. Go ahead and grab it. Let's go down here. Grab the cat. Where's my fire? Oh. So set that mug in the vise. Get some of this shit out your way. Can you set the whole neck right here so we can bang downwards. There we go. Alright, see if you can hit down while we bang on it. Grab the hammer and the chisel. Huh? Can you center punch? Do it with the hammer regular. Let me see if it go down. Moving. Somebody, uh-oh, is it going down? Oh, shit, I think it's going down. Oh, it's moving. Come on, man, you almost there. Center punch it. It's going down, dude. You ain't hit nothing. Try to more hit neck, because that's the seal. Use a punch and hit straight in the center. Man, you whack. Good. He said, I got it. Trust the process. Hey, trust the process. What the hell? My man wouldn't let me do it. He said, I got this, bro. We don't need to find that. We need to find a nut and a bolt this size, this length. And a bolt. Hell yeah. Oh, it fell right here. No, I found the broken. Dude, you know what this like? This is like a wheel stud. You know how probably can. You know what? They probably sell this. Yeah. You see how a wheel stud got those splines in it? When you pull it, yeah. When you pull it up, it splines in. Then that'll work. Yeah, that'll work. But I think parts department got the right one we need. My man got it out, so we just gonna see if they sell Mopar. Only use Mopar boats. All right, we don't use Derman boats over here. All right, all you Derman lovers out there. We're gonna go to the parts department. Now I can easily cut this right here and use this. If we don't have one, that's what I'm gonna do. Just gonna cut this and use it. Yeah, this is the one for the planes up top. They go to the head.
Talking about this long.
Yes.
Yeah, they come with the pack. They don't come separate.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay, so y'all sell just the nuts and not the kit.
Correct. Let
me see that picture again. Yeah. Yeah, they do come on the kit. Oh my God. Thank you. Well, there goes that idea. It's time for plan B. All right. Y'all know my favorite word I like to use. Guess what? It's called Improvise. Let's get it. All right, we gotta improvise. They don't have one. It comes on the cat. They don't sell it separate. So turn this into one. So you can take this off. Or I mean, we don't got a boat this long. Instead of ruining this, we might need this. The thing about it, make sure it's thick enough to fill that hole. I don't want a lot of air in there, or a lot of play in there. So yeah, this will work, but if we don't have to cut this, if we can find one that a regular boat that'll fit it. Yeah, I'm guessing this right here, dude. Let me see that. Yeah, one of them too long. They're both too long, but this is an exhaust boat right here. Let's use this one. You gotta find a nut that'll match it though.
What's an exhaust boat? This?
Yeah, that's in the exhaust. You got no nuts in there? Door? Bro. Right here. Here that'll go. Alright, let's see. We got a couple of options here. Improvisation, guys. Ta-da! Can't tell the difference. Yeah, you ain't gonna be able to use the same nut because these threads are different, but we can use this. We just gotta find a nut that matches. All right, put everything back together. We can still. I might run to Lowe's or Home Depot or something to get a nut. Cause I'll go. You don't even need to put this in. We can do all of that while we got it in the car. So put the whole car back together. Plug all these up. Put this on, then put the exhaust on. And we're good. Gonna make it do what it do. Improvise. Well, my Russian buddy kind of unique, right? At least his pry bars are. Y'all notice the silver tone on his pry bars, okay? That is so you can use hammer access. Okay, yeah, you can do some banging on these, all right? So yeah, these are high dollar ones. You're not gonna find these at say Harbor Freights or anything like that. So if you got something to pry on as well as bang on, you can use it as a chisel. Now, if this doesn't have this, and if you hammer on that, you can easily crack that, especially those cheap Harbor Freight ones. But he's yeah, he's got to have all of this high dollar stuff here, boy. He just bangs on these. He say he bang away. If they break, simply get another one. This is big boy pry bar here. All right, yeah, hammer compatible. Yeah, big boy hammer compatible. All right, so yeah, he sent me over here to get something. I don't even see it. I'm not gonna ramble through his stuff, but pretty unique setup he got here. All right, big dollar though. Yeah, no Harbor Freights over here.